How an agent builds a $17,000 a month annuity with this 4 billion potential local side hustle. I have the whole system done by an expert that you can learn via a few videos. This Florida agent uses 2 telemarketers setting appointments and a techie from Upworks for $7 per hour to do these strategies for you. He helps local businesses like plumbers, landscape, HVAC, electrician, and other contractors to get on the top of the first page of Google. He has his team do all the heavy lifting, and he uses a unique video to close the sale. Almost 80% of all the business owners call him after watching this 5-minute video. Clients pay him $500 to $750 per month for the service. In addition, he offers all of the business owners a $1 million term plan. When he gets an appointment to review their progress of getting more customers. He also offers a review of their website, Facebook, YouTube, Google Ads. If they sign up for additional services, he passes on the work to Upworks team members. Your client gets more business and appointments, he becomes a hero, so they are receptive to talking to agent. You can learn this system if you have 20 minutes per day for a week. To learn more, go to www.finalexpensemillionairekit.com. Hit the subscription button for more marketing strategies.